How's it going, you guys? Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, I'm sure you are searching YouTube to find out how you can bend metal fascia without a break. And I'm here to save you some time and tell you that you can bend the metal without a break. But it is not going to look good. It is not going to look professional, and you will not have clean lines. You will have a wavy piece of metal that could probably block some water and save your wood, but it is not going to look very good or professional at all. So let me show you what we did. And I'm just sharing this because we tried this without a break. You search YouTube and you see these people rolling with these crazy wheels on these 2x4 things, but it does not work and it does not look good. Let me show you real fast what you can get with a break, obviously. Now this is if you cannot find pre-bent fascia in your store. If you can do that, save yourself a little bit of time. What we went ahead and did was used a Van Mark 10-foot break, and we rented that from a True Value rental store in the area. I think it was about $80 for the day, which was a pretty good deal, and you can get these at Home Depot. Try your local rental place. Let me show you. So here's a 10-foot piece from rolled aluminum, and you put the top strip here to give you a little bit more support, and then you bend your 90 right there. This will tuck right up in there. So as you can see, pretty legitimate looking fascia with that. You're gonna spend a long time trying to bend one piece on a 2x4. Just don't do it. Save yourself some time. If this guy's saved you a little bit of time, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow along on our journey as we expand our homestead and our home. I'm sure you're doing the same thing or replacing some fascia, so we really appreciate it.